Hello dear English learners, welcome to Learn English with Priyanka Chaudhary. Are you willing to have an English conversation with someone? Do you want to practice speaking English? If it is so, then you are at the right place. Here in this video, I am going to be your English speaking partner. We are going to have an English conversation in this video today. And you are going to begin this conversation. Don't panic, relax. There are sentences going to be reflected on your screen and you are supposed to just read these sentences to be a part of this conversation. Are you ready? Let's begin. If you are going to like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get the English learning content in future as well. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. Hi, I'm doing well. How about you? That's great to hear. I would be happy to help. What specific areas are you focusing on? Of course, pronunciation can be a tricky one. One tip is to improve your pronunciation. Start learning stress pattern and try to practice pronouncing vowel sounds. For example, try saying banana and emphasize the second syllable. This one, banana. Or you can say banana or banana. Both are correct. Silent letters can be frustrating, I know. To tackle this problem of yours, start listening to native speakers and pay attention how they pronounce the words. Besides this, you can also use other resources like dictionaries that indicate silent letters. Expanding your vocabulary is essential. Try reading books or articles in English and jot down unfamiliar words. Then look up for the meaning of these words and use them in sentences to practice. Practice speaking as much as possible. Join English speaking classes or watch movies or TV shows in English. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Speaking regularly will definitely boost your confidence. Sure, for books you can start with these novels. These all novels are for beginners and are easy to understand. If I talk about TV shows, then you can start watching Friends or The Office. Besides this, watching TED Talks will also help you to practice your English language. You're welcome. I'm here to help. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing and you will improve your English over time. I have no doubt you will get there. I look forward to it. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Do not forget to let me know in the comment section below how did you like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.